Welcome to Autodesk Navisworks Essentials.
At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to launch them into the world of Navisworks coordination. With the completion of our introductory course, clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. Completion of the first day will enable students to begin new projects and open existing coordination models, navigate the Navisworks interface, utilize view assistance tools to better visualize representation of the model, use various visual and navigation tools, and much more. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access the Navisworks environment through our unique online labs and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. The topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students set up new projects, open existing project models, and manipulate and navigate view content using various tools. Each student will discover how to navigate around the Navisworks software environment and know where to find the different areas of the user interface. Navigate through the coordination model using view functions such as zoom and pan tools. Creating new projects and opening existing coordination project models. After making changes to the model views, know where to save the file and then how to close the model. Integrate multiple models into the same space for full project coordination. Review and modify the properties of selected objects to update visibility of content in the model view. Mark up annotations with dimensions and text for notes and other communication. Discover areas of the project that require adjustment with clash detection, knowing where elements are interfering in the same place of your project. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Navisworks functions, best sparking ideas for implementation and design while giving employees the confidence to transition into new software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that comes with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting Navisworks users with tackling the daily obstacles and helping them move through and working through problems and issues more effectively and quickly. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike each will gain the confidence to create a new project and open an existing coordination project model, and navigate seamlessly while easily moving through the various areas of the 3D environment in order to set up, manage, and produce a project with much more ease, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome tasks of uploading and onboarding new employees and/or understanding how the new software can and will be implemented into their daily workflow.
IMAGINiT's Autodesk Navisworks Essentials course
Equips students with the capabilities they will need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in 3D dimensional coordination software.